Today I'm sharing some real embarrassing shit nobody ever talks about. 20% of men are balding in their 20s and nobody ever told me the statistic. I had to learn it in the YouTube comment section. You may think my hairline is not thinning and it looks normal, but that's because it has been powdered. Here it is after a shower. The powder makes grey bubbles in the bathtub, so you must remove it with a towel. I powder my hairline with black eyeshadow. When I use it up, I will use charcoal to avoid plastic waste. Powder even the spots that look good to blend the color. Do this before any styling or it will stick on the gel and look a mess. You can try any color eyeshadow to conceal except ones with mica. This will make the spots look shiny and have the opposite effect. Next I apply flaxseed gel. It is made from boiling flaxseed until it becomes gel. We did not have the seeds, only ground flax. This is why it makes a gigantic fucking mess whenever I use it, but that is okay, I will comb it outside when it dries in a couple hours. Flaxseed gel is good to delete frizz and acquirers. Most styling creams sold in the store have ground up plastic in them. Microplastic is not something I pay for. The flaxseed gel does not make your hands or hair sticky, but it leaves instead a watery goo and bits of hair on your hands. You will have to wipe it off a couple times. This is the consistency I made. I have used a lot this time and have 3 or 4 uses left. Next time I will try a strainer so there is not so much ground flax on my pillow every night. This is what I use to keep myself tan. Using self-tanner is expensive, so I mix light and dark foundation with 3 or 4 types of moisturizer and retinol spray and shake it up in this container. In summer I make it half sunblock so I can look tan and get tan at the same time. It is the best option for that Jersey Shore tan. Drag it all the way to the hairline and don't powder it unless you have rose oil spray in order to look natural. Eyebrow highlight. Tint eyebrow wax is the best thing I have owned. The NYX one is terrible, but shout out to the girl who gave me that, she was cool. This eyeshadow I made myself, I call it strawberry gold. You can wear a taupe to avoid getting ground flax everywhere, but it dries even slower. This is what I used before flaxseed gel, it is the bomb. Makes my hair look too straight. Become gangster. 2012 pottery necklace from garage sale. For a cologne of unknown origin. Smells like the forest and is gangster. Chocolate scent I got for $4. Copaiba essential oil I found at the park. Animal squeak. This abomination of a deodorant I made out of boiled cottonwood sap and baking soda works extremely well. With this jacket I found at the park, I am ready to gangst. Field and Stream wiggles its tongue. Sean Desmond is a gangster way to start the day. 50 cent vintage Jergens FO today. Bangas.